はい、こんにちは。皆さん元気ですか？ Hello, everyone. So yesterday I had a quiz, the situation at the coffee shop, and what should you answer from the woman, Japanese woman, who want a sugar at the coffee shop, okay? Or like an office. And then woman said, あ、ちょっとこのお砂糖いただいてもいいですか？ちょっとこのお砂糖いただいてもいいですか？ Can I have this sugar? And what is the natural answer in Japanese? Can I have this sugar? And then I check many comments on YouTube and Instagram and in Facebook. Thank you so much. But I couldn't find the best answer. So the wrong answer was, I said at the previous video was 問題ない No problem 問題ありません No problem Like this 問題ありません is when you have the serious problem, like you can maybe destroy your office. Today my computer doesn't work well and I cannot work all day long. That's a serious problem. And then today my laptop is working well. No problem. 問題ありません。問題ありません。So, not like that, like a coffee shop. 問題ありません。It's very weird. So, definitely you don't use this 問題. It's a only really big problem you can use it. This 問題. Okay, so no の問題、ありません。And then also I saw かしこまりました。Can I have a coffee? Can I have your sugar? Yes, sir! かしこまりました。かしこまりました。Yes, sir! So if you say that at the coffee shop, that's gonna be a funny. Yes, sir! So, no かしこまりました。Okay? And also, I saw the other comment. どうぞ、お願いします。Yes, please! Like, yes, please is like you can use nice to meet you. I really want to have the good relationship with you. どうぞよろしくお願いします。どうぞよろしくお願いします。Yes, please. So it's again very strong. So not, can I have sugar? Yes, please. It's gonna be a very funny. So not, どうぞお願いします。Okay. So what is the best answer is, いいですよ。いいですよ。Yeah, sure. いいですよ。どうぞ。どうぞ。Also, you can say like, どうぞ。どうぞ。どうぞ。Oh, yeah. Yeah, please. Sure means, oh, yeah. どうぞ。Okay. Or, いいですよ。Oh, yeah. Sure means, okay. And, いいですよ。どうぞ。And other things. 大丈夫ですよ。大丈夫ですよ。大丈夫ですよ。Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you can take it. So, 大丈夫ですよ。いいですよ。どうぞ。Okay, so that's the natural Japanese. Okay, so be careful, not yes, sir. So check your Japanese speaking skill.